welcome. Did you realize that over the past decade, the amount of money Americans spend on prescription drug costs has increased 100%? If you're one of the few who pay no out-of-pocket expenses towards prescription costs, have no deductibles, and low co-pays, consider yourself lucky. Chances are, you're like most of us who have to use their hard-earned money to pay for some or all of their prescription medications. If you, your employees, or someone you know is paying for their prescription costs out of pocket, Vortex has great news for you. Vortex is offering a free discount prescription card program available to you, your employees, or association or group members. Yes, this program is free with no catches or gimmicks, just savings. You can even go to our website and find out your estimated savings for the prescriptions you actually use. Vortex takes great pride in being able to offer this prescription drug card to millions of Americans throughout the country, helping them to reduce their costs spent on health care. This program will benefit your family for years to come. Statistically, 3 out of every 4 doctor's office visits result in needing a prescription. As one of America's top discount prescription card providers, Vortex can save each cardholder 10 to 76% on prescription costs. Did you know that 37% of Americans age 60 or older, on average, use at least 5 prescription medications daily? They need to save every dollar they can, and we're here to help them do just that. You can help us get the word out about these terrific savings by telling everyone you know about our prescription discount card. Momentarily, we will show you how to print a paper card directly from your home or download an electronic version for your Apple iPad or smartphone. We've made this card easy to use. On your phone or on paper, you can have it with you at all times. Each year in the U.S., over 4 billion prescriptions are dispensed, leaving over 65% of us with prescription drug expenses. Of these people, 90% are over the age of 65 years. Even with Medicare, many seniors struggle to pay their prescription drug costs. Among the non-elderly, nearly 30% of uninsured people cannot afford to pay for their prescriptions, compared to 13% of those with public aid or Medicaid coverage, and 5% of those who carry private or employer coverage for prescriptions. The inability to afford prescription drugs can have many negative effects, as people are more likely to neglect to fill necessary prescriptions, cut pills in half, or skip doses of their medications. Each year, over 1/4 of all American adults neglect to fill their prescriptions, cut pills, or skip doses due to cost. Our discount drug program can be especially helpful to so many Americans, which is why it's important to spread the word about our program. Recent studies find that illness due to failures to properly take prescribed medication accounts for 13% of total healthcare expenditures annually at a cost of $289 billion. The cost of prescription drugs in the U.S. has dramatically increased in recent years by as much as 41%. This does not take into account that your salary has most likely not increased that much, not to mention that the cost of food has doubled and gasoline costs are through the roof. It's unfortunate that people don't complain as much about the skyrocketing cost of medications as they do about gas prices. Over 25 million Americans cannot afford their medications. With the average retail price of a prescription being at least $75, the rising cost of prescriptions was listed as one of the top 10 concerns in a survey of 22,000 people conducted by Consumers Union. While we can't control the drug companies, we can give you a free discount prescription card to save you money on every prescription. We are able to offer this card by negotiating price discounts from these drug manufacturers. If you or someone you know are one of the millions of Americans who are uninsured, paying a high copay, have no coverage for prescription drugs, or use medications not covered by your insurance, This program can save you substantial money. This card is accepted at over 59,000 pharmacies, including all major chains as well as many independent ones. This program is free to use and requires no paperwork. You will save on brand name and generic drugs with an overall annual savings of 20 to 40%. Save even more by using our mail order program. Everyone qualifies for this program with no health, age, or income restrictions. As previously mentioned, our program is offered free to you, your employees, your association, or group members. We will even print and ship cards to your members free of charge. We get a small financial consideration from the pharmacies and drug manufacturers. You never pay anything to use this card. Our card is linked to most large pharmacy chains in order to provide consistent discounts. Over 60,000 drugs are included in the formulary. You can visit our website to see the pharmacy locator and drug pricing calculator. Bottom line, the Vortex Pharmacy Card offers consumers up to a 76% in-store savings on brand name and generic drugs, and even greater savings on mail orders. To use your free Vortex Pharmacy Card, simply present the card to the pharmacist. If using the phone to contact the pharmacy, give the pharmacy staff the codes listed on your electronic or printed card. The actual cost you pay will either be the contract price or the usual and customary charge of the pharmacy, whichever cost is lowest. There are two ways to go about obtaining your Vortex Pharmacy Card. Visit our website and click on the button to print your card. No name or email address is required. If you need to contact us, you may do so through our website. There is even an electronic version of the card to add to your smartphone or iPad. Choose and click the electronic card button in the navigation bar on our website to use this feature. Again, this card is free and available to all. Please share our website and printed or electronic cards with everyone you know. For groups of 10 or more, we will print and ship the cards for you at no charge. Simply call or email us to let us know how many cards you'll need. It's that easy. Please take advantage of this opportunity by downloading a card today for yourself, your friends, and family members. Keep them handy in your purse, billfold, or on your electronic device, and start saving with your next trip to the pharmacy. Don't forget to download your card, and thank you for watching this video.